Mati.
Mati.
Yeah. Look on the screen, please. A'udhu bi
A'udhu bi
kalima
kalima
tilla.
billah.
Billah, where billah? Tilla. Tilla, Tilla. My favorite student, please. Tilla. Tilla, okay? Read with me. A'udhu bi.
What?
Read with me. A'udhu bi
A'udhu bi
kalima
kalima
tilla.
billah.
Hitam.
Billah.
Hey, Nadin, please open the webcam because I don't know you. What are you doing during lesson? Where you are looking during lesson? Please, it's very important. My favorite student, please listen to me. Important, very important.
I was just cleaning my glasses because they're dirty and I can't see.
Because I don't know what are you doing during class. Another activities is
I
not
was
allowed.
cleaning my glasses.
But other activities is not allowed during class. Other looking is not allowed in other sides. Still looking on screen. It's very important. Please, my favorite student, don't mind. Focus on your lesson. With the lesson. Okay, I am now, inshallah. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Mashallah. Very good color. This one. Okay. Read with me. A'udhu bi
A'udhu bil
kalima.
karima.
A'udhu bi kalima.
A'udhu bil karima.
Yeah, don't stop. Keep going. A'udhu bi kalima.
A'udhu bil kamima. A'udhu bil kamida. A'udhu bil kamida. A'udhu bil kami. A'udhu bil kamida. 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 A'udhu bil kamida.
Okay, look.
A'udhu bil kamida. A'udhu bil
Look on the screen. Without looking is not allowed, please.
I was yawning.
Why? Yawning starting? Why?
I was yawning for some reason.
When you will Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when every person are young, then block your mouth opening side. Don't open your mouth.
I did this.
Because devil is entering in your mouth. After that,
I did this.
yeah, after that starting the pain in your body. When you will yawn, doing the yawn, then devil entering from your mouth side to your more body. After that, devil start creating some problems in body. Okay, in also in prayer, you can block your mouth with anything, with your mouth, with your tissue paper, and with your mouth. Less important, this block your mouth. Don't open your ah. It's not good. Yeah, please. Look the screen and start. Keep going.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من
You, Nadin, I am very sad because you are reading wrong. If you will look on screen, then you will read correct, inshallah. But you are not reading on
I'm looking on the screen.
kalima. You are reading kalima kamida. It's not kamida, it's kalima.
Kalima.
I am with red color highlight your mistake letter. This one. Please continue only this. Stay looking only.
Kalima, 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 kalim, kalima, 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 kalima.
Please, you can. Okay, mashallah. Nice student, nice reading. I am very happy now because now you are start to complete page this. I make for you easy. أعوذ بكلمات الله التام.
أعوذ بالكاملة.
Look on the screen and
I'm
complete.
looking on the screen.
Yeah, with looking start complete page. From the beginning.
Kalima, 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 kalima.
أعوذ
Kalima,
بكلمة
kalima, kalima,
كلمة
kalima, 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 Karima, 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 Karima.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, very good, nice reading. I am easy style this creating for you this lesson, please.
أعوذ بالكاميرا
Nadin, your class recording I will send you. You listen your lesson. You will say, oh yeah teacher, I am reading wrong. It's kalima. You are reading kamida. This letter.
But that's how I say it. You can't judge people.
This one which? This one? Yeah, start please. Board letter start please now. Audu bi. Next. Look. After that, which letter? You look on screen. And Nadin, please look on the screen and complete read it.
I'm looking on the screen.
You are not looking?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, please, my favorite student, my little doll, very, very good student. Please, you are a very good, intelligent student. Please continue. Let's keep looking on lesson. Kamida, where Kamida? No anyone Kamida on this page. It's Kalima. It's Kalima. You can repeat it complete. Oh my God. Oh my Allah. I was saying Kalima, you are reading Kamida. Kalima. Please, I'm highlighting for you Kalima. This one, a red circle, red highlighting. Kalima. Can you looking this one? I highlight for you.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah, mashallah, nice student. Starting the pain in my head.
Is that what?
Because my student is without carefully read today. My favorite student. which letter? Kalima. Okay, don't look another sides during reading, please. Kalima. Okay, okay, this one. Continue, please.
Karima.
Yeah, good. Continue. Don't stop. Stopping is not allowed. Yeah.
Karima. 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 Kami. Kami. Kamira. Kami. Kamima. Kalima. 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 Kamira. Kalima. 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 Kamina. Kamira. 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 Kalima. 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 Kalima.
Nice. Okay, complete. Begin from this one. Complete read now. With looking. Problem this. You are not looking on screen carefully.
Okay.
It's very big problem for me. You
أعوذ بالخامدة
Khamida, where Khamida? Where Khamida? It's Kalima.
فريدة
Kalima. A'udhu bi.
أعوذ بالخامدة
Kalima.
كريمة
A'udhu bi.
أعوذ
Kalima.
بالكلمة
Tilla.
بالله
Hittamati.
بالماضي
Min sharri.
منتصر
Ma khalaq.
ما خلق
I not looking your eyes, because stay looking at your eyes on lesson, especially, please. Okay, please. MashaAllah, good scarf. Okay, MashaAllah. Carefully read, my favorite student, my intelligent student, Nadir. Please. When you are reading wrong, then I am very disheartened, very sad after that.
ميماد
Carefully, please.
بالكلمة
Nice. Okay. Continue.
حكمة
I'm not looking your eyes. Your eyes where on screen? Oh,
your
yeah.
eyes
Very beautiful glasses, mashallah. Okay, please continue. A'udhu bi.
تالية
When I will put my arrow, then you will read that letter. Complete read now, this one.
أعوذ بالكلمة
Next.
تالية
Tilla. Kalimatilla.
أو
Kalimatilla.
أعوذ بالكلمة
Tilla.
تلا هتما هت هت
Hittamati. A'udhu bi.
أعوذ
Kalima.
بالكلمة
Tilla.
تلا
Hittamati. Hittamati.
هتماتي
Min sharri.
متماتي
Min sharri.
من شر
Ma khalaq.
ما خلق
A'udhu bi.
أعوذ
Kalimat.
بكلمة
Tilla.
بالله
Hittamati.
هتماتي
Min sharri.
من شر
Ma khalaq.
ما خلق
A'udhu bi.
أعوذ
Kalima.
بكلمة
Tilla.
بالله
Hittamati.
هتماتي
Min sharri.
من شر
ما خلق
ما خلق
أعوذ
أعوذ
بكلمات
بكلمات
الله
الله
التامات
الظلمات
من شر
من شر
ما خلق
ما خلق
أعوذ
أعوذ
بكلمات
بكلمات
الله
الله
التامات
التامات
من شر
من شر
ما خلق.
ما خلق.
Okay, now you can read. Look on the screen.
I don't see anything.
Okay, wait. What name my favorite student?
I don't see anything. It's black.
Oh, okay. I think some problem. Okay. Say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and call to your brother.